Tiger.
No, the door of sauna.
No, this is steam.
This one we will make ceramic.
Tell me your requirements. Send me your requirements for the 2 rooms in an official name, so I can look.
Yeah. That's why. What's the DB?
What?
DB. Or only isolate?
I have isolator already.
Okay, good.
That's better, I have isolator. They need the steam generator room.
AutoCAD?
Yes.
Can you send to me by
I
WhatsApp?
will send to you.
And then I will forward to you by WhatsApp also the details.
Sure.
Okay. Take measurement nyo. Actual measurement.
Let's check the other one.
There's
So
another one.
this is the female gym.
Okay.
Female. Small size.
It's made.
This is the steam.
This one will stay in there.
This is steam.
Yes.
Oh.
Now, this one we need to make curve. Customize the
Sauna.
Okay, that's why I need the AutoCAD layout.
What did I say? No problem.